Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to be looking at the Swizzles Fizzer selection. There are 4 bath bombs that they call Fizzer Sensations. In this pack you've got 280-gram bath fizzers and 240-gram bath fizzers. The reason I wanted to check this out is because these bath fizzers are very retro, and they're retro because they are referencing sweets from my childhood. You've got things like refreshers and raindrops and double dips, drumsticks, double lollies, all the sweetie candy that I grew up with. So love these sweets. I saw this fizzer selection and thought, oh my gosh, I just have to have that, and it would be super fun to do a video on. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Guys, when I purchased this bath fizzer selection, it cost $2.99. And that's £2.99. And the packaging was so super cute. I love it. You can buy this in B&M. So we will open the box. We will pop our cute little packaging right there. And these are our bath fizzers. We have in this little kit, we have the Swizzles refreshers. Refreshers were never really one of my favorite because they had this like taffy outside that had little sour fizzy crystals. And I don't like sour. If you guys are an avid watcher of my channel, which I hope you all are, you'll know that I don't like sour. Double lollies. Double lollies were amazing. These are double lollies. So you used to get 2 flavors. They're very chalky lollies. I love that. So that's awesome for me. So you've got 2 of these double lolly bath fizzers, and these are your 40 gram of weight. You can see, don't know if you guys can actually see on screen, they are peach and they're lemon. That's the colors that we have here. The refresher is this almost purpley color, which is cute. And then drumsticks. So drumstick lollies were these lollies. I don't know if you guys have ever tasted them. If not, you are so missing out. They were chewy and creamy and delicious. And if you have never seen them, look them up on Google. You will, honestly, they're so good. So this is another 80-gram bath fizzer. So let me show you guys what these look like when they're out of the packaging. And we'll pop our packaging over here for recycling. These have got some of that sticky tape on the back. So these are our double lollies. They are super cute and adorable. I think you can just see the orange on this bath fizzer. So cute. We've got 2. I'm so excited to see what this one's like. So what I want to do is bring in our bowl of water. I'm going to pop you guys down a little bit so you can see. And I think the first ones that we'll do is the double lolly. And I'm only going to put 1 in because we've got 2 exactly the same. I'm going to smell this and see if it reminds me of a double lolly. It really smells like a double lolly. You're getting the peach, you're getting the lemon. So full of I was going to say flavor, but I don't mean flavor. It's so full of fragrance. So the scent is pretty good. My gosh, these are hard to open. Let me just use my handy little tool and there we go. We'll just slice that right open. So this is our cute bath bomb. Smells sweet. Let's see what kind of fizz we get from this. Okay. This is very disappointing. I don't like bath fizzers that do not fizz. This one is just melting. The only good thing about this is we're getting a more prominent yellow color. You can see that. But guys, look. we are literally getting all of this, the salts are going to the bottom. It is coloring the water in this nice peachy color, but there's no fizz. There's nothing from this bath bomb. That is so disappointing. I mean, no fizz whatsoever. Can you see fizz? Let me pop you guys down. Ooh. Can anybody see fizz? Definitely not. I am going to just... Okay. Not getting any fizz. Really disappointing. However, this is redeeming itself with the smell. We're getting this gorgeous scent of fruit. Very lemony, citrus with a touch of peach. It is beautiful. I love the color of the water. I'm just really disappointed with the actual bath fizzer. I mean, if you're going to have a product that is a bath fizzer, it should at least fizz. This one is definitely not fizzing for me. Okay, let's look at our bath fizzer bar. I'm just using a pair of scissors off camera to open this up. We'll pull in our second bowl of clear water, get rid of any of the remnants. Okay, so this should smell very... This is exactly the same scent. I'm not getting any different. I mean, the scent is nice, it's refreshing, it's sweet, but I'm not getting anything that would remind me of a refresher bar. That's a bit sad. So this is a refresher bar right here. And I'm not really getting that from this, this bar. Let's open it. Guys, I think we're going to be so disappointed with these bath fizzers. Let's go ahead and pop this one in. I thought we were getting something. We're not. It's just the water coming through the bath fizzer. It completely disintegrates. You're left with this bubbly piece of bath fizzer that isn't a bath fizzer. I do, however, love this lilac color to the water. It's really nice. I mean, if I put this in my bath, I would end up with mush in my bath, and all of the salts would go to the bottom. So that's exceptionally disappointing. I'm just going to clean off my hands and move this one to the side. So far, so disappointed. I love the color of this little bath bar. It reminds me definitely of a drumstick. It's the one, I think, the most that reminds me of a drumstick, because this is the shape of the actual lollipop. I'm disappointed in these swizzles. Sorry guys, I'm just going to take this off screen and open it up. I'm disappointed in these bath fizzers. I know they weren't expensive if you compare them to the likes of Lush or other higher end retailers. I know these were bought from a budget store, but Swizzlers is a really well-known brand of sweets, and I just think that they could have done so much better. I mean, this product, had it have had maybe more, is it citric acid in it, would have been much better. So whilst I think this drumstick bar looks super adorable, I'm really not giving high hopes for any kind of fizz in these bath fizzers. Yeah, that's really, really disappointing. So we'll just remove that. Look at how pretty this is. Like, this is just gorgeous. I don't think we're going to get any fizz, guys, so don't be disappointed. But let's see what color the water turns. I mean, you do get that initial, what seems like a fizz, but it's just the water permeating through the actual bath bar or the bath bomb. I mean, if we look at this one, we still have remnants of our bath bomb or our bath fizzer, or what should have been our bath fizzer. And at the bottom, we've got all of that salt. So it's not even dispersing through the water properly. That's exceptionally disappointing. I'm very disappointed. I love the color of this bath, of this water. The color runs the whole way through, which is amazing. Let me just clean my hands. There is some staining from this bath bomb. Again, very disappointing. The color of the water, however, is gorgeous. Let me just smell. Exactly the same scent. So each one of these has that sweet, fruity, citrusy smell. I mean, the colors might look different. However, the scents are exactly the same, and just really, really disappointing. I mean, this is just mush. If I didn't mix this or mash it, it wouldn't disperse in the water. That is really disappointing from a bath fizzer, because my expectation, and I don't know what your expectation is, guys, and maybe you can leave a comment in the comment section below. My expectation of a bath fizzer is that it's just going to pop, that it's going to fizz, and I'm going to hear that crackle and that excitement of the bath fizzer fizzing all over the place, and the gorgeous coloring of the water. And I love when you put a bath bomb into the bath, and because it's fizzing around, it moves and it colors the water and gives it pattern. You're getting none of that. None of that with these bath fizzers. Guys, I'm really disappointed. I guess you guys are disappointed too. The colors are beautiful. This gorgeous orange. We've got this gorgeous lilac color. And then we have this really, really deep, pretty red. But we didn't get value for money with these bath fizzers. We definitely didn't. I don't feel like we did. It's just disappointed. I had high hopes. They were dashed. This, for me, definitely, as part of a review, is a thumbs down. I wouldn't recommend this product, and I probably will never buy it again. And that's really disappointing. Maybe next year, if they improve if they improve their bath bombs, maybe we'll try it. It won't be anytime soon. That's so sad. Guys, let me know in the comments what you thought of these bath fizzers, if I can speak, and any other suggestions you have for potential videos you might like to see. Leave them in the comment section below, because I'm always interested in what you guys want to see, and then I will do my best to kind of buy those kind of things so we can go through them and review them. Guys, just before the end of this video, I would like to say a big thank you for everybody who supports my channel. I would ask, when and where you can, if you wouldn't mind giving my videos a thumbs up. The more likes I get on my videos, the more support it gives to my channel, and it really does help my channel when you guys give me likes and thumbs up. And yeah, that would really, really help me out, guys. So if you're watching this video, or you're watching any of my videos, please, 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 when you can, please give it a thumbs up if you like it, obviously. Guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video. I would love to say at this point that I had fun doing these bath bomb reviews, but I really didn't. It was such a letdown. But I still hope you guys like this video. I still hope you find it useful. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. We would love to have you with us. If you would like to be notified of any future videos, hit that notification bell. And like I said, guys, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. And again, please, where you can, please give my videos a thumbs up. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to catch you next time for another review or fun video. Take care, everybody. Have an amazing day, and I'll catch you next time.